The controversy surrounding the emotive gold mining in Ikolomani has landed at the Senate, with the Shanta Mining Company coming under fire for allegedly carrying out mining activities under a prospecting license, threatening artisanal mining, impending displacements yet shrouded in darkness while enjoying protection. The company, however, insists its processes are above board and that 99% of locals have consented. In December last year, 4 people died after a botched public participation by the National Environment Management Authority. As Alona Chanda now reports, the gold deposits in the area is estimated to be worth 680 billion.
The gold-rich stretch of Bushangala Isulu in Ikolomani, Kakamega County has turned into a nightmare and has since landed in the Senate Committee on Lands, Environment and Natural Resources. The Shanta Gold Company that has a footing in the area is at the center of the controversy, coming under scrutiny by senators over its license compliance and whether its activities are prospecting or actual mining.
Shanta talks of having applied for ESA license from NEMA. Can they clarify whether that is a requirement for a license to prospect or for a mining license?
You were to tell and advise the landowner that I'm applying for prospecting. For mining, you have to go back again to indicate that what I'm applying for is a mining license, and you get consent for a mining license application.
3 petitioners told the Senate committee that the area's main economic activity of artisanal mining is under threat, as Shanta is on the verge of acquiring exclusive rights of mining. They further registered their apprehension that a sizable population stares at possible displacement to pave way for mining activities by the Shanta Group, a process they claim is shrouded in opaqueness. All the land that sits on gold deposits is individually owned and not community land.
Artisanal miners are what has eliminated poverty among our people. We don't have many senior officers from that area, but we have no beggars there.
In the Sulubushi, throughout, we've gotten 99.99% of acceptance to do drilling.
But I was very shocked. I just had stories that there are people who came in the compound. They want to talk to my old mother, who is 90 years old, and my mother said, I have no jurisdiction over this land. Nobody has approached me or asked me anything.
On the 4th of December last year, 4 people died after an ugly confrontation with security personnel after a botched public participation exercise conducted by the National Environment Management Authority, NEMA. The over 680 billion shillings worth of gold in Ikolomani, Kakamega County is now turning into hot coal, even as locals decry of what they term as fearing for their livelihoods. Even as the Shanta Gold Company stand accused of being insincere of what exactly it is undertaking on ground. Alona Chanda, KTN, Parliament Buildings.